asked to integrate this. So for us to be able to integrate this, we've got to simplify this first. After simplifying this, then we'll be able to get the simple form of it. Then we now what? Integrate that to get the final answer. So let's do that quickly. So we have solution here. Alright, so by simplifying x exponent 4 minus 1 all over x minus 2 plus 1, then we got to have x exponent 4 minus 1 all over x exponent 2 plus 1. This is going to be equals to, now this one we can say we've got it, or it's being factored as difference of two squares. So we can rewrite this in a different form. So we can have x squared plus 1 bracket close and x squared minus 1. Now x squared plus 1 bracket close and then x squared minus 1, we'll get this, and all over x squared plus 1. Now we have been able to rewrite this into this form. So for us being able to expand this, then we can now look into the factors and see if we can do some kind of cancellation here in order to simplify it to the basic form. So looking at this critically, you realize that x squared minus 1 here can cancel x squared plus 1 here can cancel x squared plus 1 here, leaving only x squared minus 1 here. Now that we've gotten x squared minus 1 there, then we can now be able to integrate that in order to get the final answer. So we have integral sign of x exponent 4 minus 1 all over x exponent 2 plus 1. Okay, this is going to be equals to integral sign again. Okay, now integral sign of x squared minus 1, if I'm right, I hope you are following, x squared minus 1. Okay, now we know very well that if you integrate this, you are going to get x cubed, okay, all over 3 plus x plus c. The c becomes the constant value. Okay, the c becomes the constant value, where we now have a factor of x squared, where we now have integral sign of x cubed all over 3 plus x minus x plus c. Now this c becomes the constant term, which is going to give us this as the final answer. So we have x cubed all over 3, okay, minus x plus c as the final answer. So don't forget that once we are integrating x exponent 4 minus 1 all over x exponent 2 plus 1, then it's going to give us the x here. Okay, then we have a final answer here, x exponent 3 all over 3 minus x plus c. This becomes the final answer. Thank you so much for joining us once again. Sorry for the lightning. My lightning is actually going off, and I'm sorry for the inconveniences. I'll make sure the next time I get a proper light for you to be able to have good visuals. Thank you so much for joining us once again, and God richly bless you. Bye.